Hello friends, welcome. This video is going to be a short one. So here we are in the home page, and also I have opened the backend here. And if I inspect the element, go to the network and refresh, we make a request to get the user, but we have 401 because we are not authenticated. Let's go and to the login page and let's log in with the test user, so test example.com, and add the password. Say login here. Yeah, we have success login and success for the user, and we redirected back and we show the user here. Good. If I go to the application now in the cookies, I'm going to clear this and refresh. Yeah, we don't have now the user, we are logged out. Okay, but let's go in the backend and I'm going to clear also here the cookies. Now, if I go and to the login page and let's log in again with a test example.com, add the password, say login here. Let's go first to the network and let's say now login. We have a CSRF token mismatch error. And if you go to the Laravel sanctum, in the authentication, we have the CSRF protection. So to authenticate your single page application, your single page application login page should first make a request to the /sanctum/CSRF cookie endpoint and to get the cookie, to initialize the cookie, and then make a request to the login page. So let's do that in this video. So let's go inside the components login page, and here I'm going to create a new method. So let's say const, I'm going to name get token, and this is going to be an async function, async. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to await for the Axios to get that token, and that URL is this one. So let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, and now if first we need to call this get token, so we can then Laravel backend is going to initialize the CSRF protection for the application, and then we make a handle login, a login request, post request. Okay, so here when you say handle login, first I'm going to call that get token, and also this is async. Let's make this await, and now then make a login request. So let's see that. Go to the project, and if I refresh, yeah, let's clear this, come here, and also let's go to the application, and yeah, we don't have any. Okay, if I try to, and also to go to the network, first we are going to make a request to get the cookies, you can see, and then the login we are going to see here. So let's say test example.com and add the password. Okay, let's go and log in, and we are back. We'll first make a CSRF cookie request and then login, then the user. Okay friends, that's it about this video. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.